Distant Boy Enigma, aka Pano, as the sign says. And remember earlier do you remember that I just posted a couple hours, less than hours ago? Well, they're my top 5 favorite stickers. That's the new ones I didn't even know they ordered. Check them out. Sick Bricks. Military Division. That's cool. Let's check them out. Our friends here are named Hazmat and Scuba Spy. Interesting. They look cool. Hazmat and Scuba Spy. Cool. Now we do the unboxing. There we go. This says here. I'll keep this here for my second name. I'm gonna pull these guys out. Okay. I'll open the little like tracking package. Here we are. Weird. Still can't find that other one with her face that I had. Let's see. We're looking for scuba. We're looking for hazmat and scuba spy. Scuba spy. Weird. Don't see hazmat anywhere. Yeah, no hazmat. Huh, well, it's got scuba spy, but no hazmat. And now I gotta build hazmat. And scuba spy. We gotta build scuba spy. There we go. So let's look at them now. Hazmat. Oh, that's nice, very nice. Scuba spy, very nice, very nice. Military Division of the Brick of Sickle City. Or let's combine them. You combine like that. You combine like that. And I would like thumbs up. I'll also have more videos of the stuff on sooner than I think. So yeah. Well, that's all the time I got today. Unless there's another toy coming in an hour of. But yeah, that's all the time I got for today. Remember, keep your imaginations active, your toys to play with. And remember, hugs on drugs. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment. I'm working on comments this far. Alright, have a good day, guys. Bye.